Hello friends, welcome to my channel Natural Care with Jyoti Kaur. Today we will tell you about benefits of ginger. Ginger is a spice which is commonly used in our daily meals. It is a strong spice famous for its great taste and medicinal properties. It is used to cure various diseases since centuries. It's been used to aid digestion, reduce nausea and help fight flu and common cold to name a few of its properties. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger. Gingerol has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. To get relief from cough and cold, consume ginger juice mixed with honey twice a day to get relief. To get relief from joint pain, mix turmeric powder, fenugreek powder, dry ginger powder in equal parts and consume 1 teaspoon with milk or water once in morning and once in evening. In case of loss in appetite, eat ginger slices 30 minutes before meal. It improves appetite. Eat ginger with meal to avoid gas in stomach. Eating ginger after meal improves digestion. To improve digestion, put ginger pieces in honey and keep in sunlight for 1 day. Consume 1 or 2 pieces daily in afternoon. You can eat this until 1 week. Ginger works as a fat burner. It helps get rid of belly and thigh fat. If eaten daily with food, it can help in weight loss. Ginger oil helps in curing muscles and joint pain. To make ginger oil, in a pan add 200 ml olive oil and 1 cup grated ginger. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Once ready, cool it down and store in a bottle. Massage this oil daily on the areas where you have joint or muscles pain to get relief. This oil can be used for hair too to promote hair growth. Leave this oil in your hair for 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse with a mild shampoo. Do this once in a week for good results. For getting rid of dandruff, mix ginger juice with coconut oil or almond oil and massage in roots. Again, due to the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, it can be used for the treatment of respiratory problems like asthma. Ginger is also a popular remedy for managing cholesterol level. Its consumption can help get rid of bad cholesterol, which helps in the promotion of one's heart health. Dietary fibers present in ginger add bulk to the stool, which can help in getting rid of constipation. The antiseptic nature of ginger is something you cannot ignore. It helps in minimizing the spot and acne formation on the skin. Ginger juice can be mixed with water and then applied on areas affected for best results. This vitamin-rich spice also helps the skin cells in retaining the water, thus keeping them hydrated and your skin rejuvenated. So this is how you can use ginger in your day-to-day life. Tell us in the comments if you like this video, and for more such information, keep watching my channel Natural Care with Jyoti Kaur. Thank you.